What if you could turn just 1 hour of your day into real income? Picture this. Instead of letting that hour slip by, you could use it to build something meaningful for yourself and your future. Whether it's early in the morning before the world wakes up, or late at night when the house is finally quiet, that single hour holds more potential than you might think. Imagine using that spare time while your kids nap or before work to build a new stream of money. It's not about sacrificing your family time or giving up your hobbies. It's about making the most of those small windows in your day, the moments that often go unnoticed, and turning them into opportunities for growth and extra income. This isn't a far-fetched dream. It's a real opportunity through digital writing. The world is changing, and more people than ever are discovering that they can earn from home on their own terms by sharing their words and ideas online. Digital writing is flexible, accessible, and open to anyone willing to give it a try. You don't need a special degree or years of experience, just the willingness to learn and try something new. If you can write an email, share a story, or explain an idea, you already have the foundation you need. There are countless resources, tutorials, and communities ready to help you grow your skills, no matter your starting point. The digital age has opened doors for everyday people to earn money by writing online. From the comfort of your own home, you can reach clients and readers all over the world. You can write about topics you care about, learn new things, and get paid for your effort, all without a long commute or rigid schedule. Companies everywhere need content, from blog posts to product descriptions, and they're willing to pay for it. Businesses, big and small, are searching for fresh voices to help them connect with their audiences. Your unique perspective and writing style could be exactly what they're looking for. You can start small with just 1 hour a day and grow your confidence and income at your own pace. There's no pressure to go all in right away. As you gain experience, you'll find more opportunities and see your skills and your earnings steadily increase. Every article, blog post, or product review you write is a step forward. This isn't about quitting your job or getting rich overnight. It's about taking a practical step toward financial freedom. It's about having more choices, more security, and the satisfaction of knowing you're building something for yourself. Even a small, steady stream of extra income can make a big difference over time. Digital writing platforms make it easy, connecting new writers with paid jobs. These platforms are designed to help you get started quickly, offering a variety of projects to match your interests and skill level. You can browse listings, submit your work, and get paid, all from your laptop or even your phone. You can sign up, get certified, and start working, sometimes all in the same day. The process is straightforward, and there's support every step of the way. Many platforms offer training, feedback, and a community of fellow writers to help you succeed. Ready to begin? Let's walk through every step to turn that 1 hour into real income. Your journey starts now, and with each small action, you're moving closer to your goals. Let's get started together. Think you need a portfolio or English degree to start freelance writing? Think again. Digital writing platforms are built for beginners. No experience required. Their simple training modules teach you the basics and certify you for paid work. Your willingness to learn and follow instructions matters more than a long resume. Beginner tasks are straightforward, like product descriptions or short articles, perfect for building skills and confidence. If you can write a clear email or social post, you have what it takes to start. The rest you'll learn as you go. Bring a positive attitude and commit just 1 hour a day. Forget about experience. Focus on what you can achieve starting today. Every writing journey begins with a single simple step, signing up for your very first digital writing platform. This is where your adventure as a writer truly starts, and it's much easier than you might think. Whether you dream of sharing your stories, earning extra income, or building a professional portfolio, it all begins right here, with a few clicks from the comfort of your own home. Signing up is as straightforward as creating a social media account. No resume, no interviews, and definitely no complicated applications. All you need is a device and a few minutes of your time. If you've ever joined a social network or subscribed to a newsletter, you already know how this works. Start by choosing a reputable writing platform that matches your interests. There are many out there, from freelance marketplaces to content creation hubs. Once you've picked one, simply click the Sign Up or Get Started button. You'll be asked to enter basic details like your name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Don't worry, this information is standard and helps keep your account safe. Make sure to use your real email address. This is crucial as it's how you'll receive important updates, job notifications, and most importantly, your payments. Double check for typos to avoid missing out on opportunities. After you've registered, head over to your inbox and look for a confirmation email from the platform. Sometimes it lands in your spam folder, so check there if you don't see it right away. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. This step is essential for security and to unlock all the platform's features. And just like that, you're officially part of a global community of writers. Take a moment to celebrate. You've taken the first real step toward turning your writing passion into something more. The best part? Signing up is completely free. There are no hidden fees or upfront costs, and you're now in a place where real earning opportunities are just around the corner. Many people hesitate or overthink this first step, letting doubts or fears hold them back. But by taking action and registering, you're already ahead of the crowd. You've shown initiative and opened the door to new possibilities. With your account now active, you're ready to set up a simple profile. This is your chance to introduce yourself to potential clients and showcase your unique voice. Let's move forward and make sure you stand out so you can land your first writing job and start earning your very first paycheck as a writer. Now, build your writer profile. It's much simpler than a resume. Just fill out your name, a short bio, and optionally add a profile picture. Your bio should be brief. I'm a motivated new writer, eager to deliver quality content. A friendly, clear photo, even from your phone, helps build trust. Review your profile for any errors. Attention to detail matters. This process takes just minutes but makes you look professional and ready. A complete profile helps you stand out and get noticed by clients. You're now one step closer to accessing the job board. Present yourself as reliable and enthusiastic. Next up, getting certified and unlocking paid writing jobs. With your profile set, it's time to get certified, the key to paid writing jobs. Certification is a quick training and assessment, not a tough exam. Read the platform's style guide. It covers grammar, tone, formatting, and more. The assessment might be a short writing sample or a few questions. Take your time, follow instructions, and proofread before submitting. Pass and you'll unlock the job board, your gateway to paid work. The whole process often takes less than an hour. Certification proves you're ready and committed. You're now a certified writer, ready to browse real opportunities. Your hard work is about to pay off. Now the fun begins. You have access to the job board filled with writing tasks. Use filters to find beginner-level jobs. These are perfect for your first assignment. Look for tasks that interest you and have clear instructions. Start with something manageable, like a short blog post or product description. Focus on quality, not the highest pay, for your first job. Read the requirements carefully, word count, keywords, formatting. Claim a task that feels like a good fit. Deadlines are usually generous. You've officially accepted your first paid writing job. Next, write, submit, and get paid. Accepted your first task, time to write. Reread the instructions, then outline your main points. Write clearly and simply, short sentences easy to read. Keep the style guide and task instructions open for reference. Don't worry about perfection, focus on meeting the requirements. Proofread carefully, read aloud to catch errors, use a grammar checker, but always do a final manual review. Submit your work through the platform's upload or text box. Double check everything, then hit submit. Congratulations, you've completed your first paid writing task. After submission, your work is reviewed, usually within 24-48 hours. If approved, payment appears in your account, proof you can earn with writing. Set up your payment method, PayPal or bank transfer, in your profile. Most platforms have a minimum payout, but you'll reach it quickly with consistent work. Stick to your 1 hour a day goal. Consistency is key to growing your income. Completing more jobs builds your reputation and unlocks higher paying tasks. Don't worry about revision requests. They're normal and help you improve. Learn from feedback and resubmit as needed. Every approved task adds to your skills and income. Keep going. Each step moves you closer to your financial goals. You now have the complete roadmap to turn just 1 hour a day into a brand new source of income. Imagine what you could achieve if you dedicated a small part of your day to building something for yourself, something that grows with every word you write. This journey is about more than just earning money. It's about discovering your potential and taking control of your future. Every step from signing up to landing your very first paid task has been carefully designed with beginners in mind. You don't need experience, fancy equipment, or a degree. All you need is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and the drive to take that first step. The process is simple, and support is always available if you need it. You're in charge of your schedule. Work early in the morning, late at night, or whenever inspiration strikes. There's no boss looking over your shoulder, no daily commute, and no rigid hours. This is true flexibility, allowing you to fit writing around your life, not the other way around. Digital writing is for everyone: students, parents, retirees, or anyone looking for a fresh start. Whether you want a little extra cash for your hobbies or you're dreaming of a whole new career, this path can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. You can start small and grow at your own pace. The only thing standing between you and your first paycheck is the decision to take action. Every writer started with a blank page and a bit of courage. Your journey begins the moment you decide to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for everything to feel just right. The perfect time rarely comes. The best time to begin is now, with what you have and where you are. Open a new tab, search for a writing platform that excites you, and sign up. The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most important. Take a few minutes to create your profile, complete any certifications, and claim your very first writing task. Each small action brings you closer to your goals. You already have the knowledge, the skills, and the drive. The opportunity is right in front of you, waiting for you to reach out and grab it. Take that first step today, no matter how small. Every journey begins with a single action, and yours can start right now. By this time tomorrow, you could be celebrating your very first paid writing job. Imagine the pride and excitement of seeing your work valued and rewarded. Your future is in your hands. Start writing now, 1 hour at a time, and watch your possibilities grow with every word you write.